Welcome to the next episode of the SVI Shoot Through series. And today we're shooting something that is in every car. There might even not be fuel in the car, but this will be in the car. Jaco?
In modern cars, we always find a bottle of water. What will happen if you shoot this bottle of water, Nicole?
I've got a feeling 9mm will be enough, but we got all the other weapons to make sure we will destroy this. And it will never be used in a car again.
Let's shoot it. Nicole, this is what I expected.
The only good thing about this test is this water bottle will never ever go in a car again. SVI Engineering, for your armoring needs.